Good morning guys. Ay na yung asawa ko maghatid ng aking hot chocolate. Wala pa, andun siya maghatid yan ng hot chocolate. Pumunta na siya na dito, nag-greet na siya ng happy anniversary. Gumagawa siya ng hot chocolate. Hintayin natin. Ang cute. What you got? Hot chocolate. Thank you, baby.
Oh, you got your Prezi.
You got a Prezi?
I thought that's what my kiss was for.
I always get kisses in the morning.
That was extra kisses.
You getting back to sleep?
Hey?
You getting back to sleep?
No. I'll have a snooze after lunch.
You're going to an eye doctor. Tumalis na guys. Akala matutulog kasi nilagyan pa ako ng heater. Nilagyan yung heater kasi malamig. Anyway, ayun na siya guys. Mamaya na lang. Gising na girl. Kailangan ko magligo guys kasi oily na yung hair ko. Ginawa ko yung hair ko nung isang araw. See how oily is my hair?
Oily?
Yeah, I need to wash my hair. Babe, can I have another hot chocolate?
You can. I think.
Oh really? Am I miss?
Yeah.
Oh no. I got white one here in case I got.
I think there's about 2 left in there.
I got white one here, babe, in case I'm out, okay?
You probably won't need one tonight.
We're going out tonight, guys. It's anniversary tonight. Diyan na. Bigay ko yung regalo kay Tony. Kinain niya na kagabi, guys, yung iba nito. Yung dalawa nito kasi akin.
There's 3 or 4 in there.
Hindi ko na binalot, di ba? Kinain niya to kagabi, guys, yung isa. Baby, alam niya na kung anong laman nito. Wait lang pa. Pag magising ka, girl. Natulog kasi ulit to. Wait, baliktad natin. Uy! What happened? Gumagawa pa siya ng drinks, guys. Hintayin natin. Oh, yes, that's for you, baby. Uh-oh, almonds everywhere. It's in my feet. Wait lang, guys. Hintayin natin yung mainit yung tubig. But yes, kakain tayo sa labas today at magna-night out tayo today. Mamaya kwento ko sa inyo, guys. Is there more rain coming, baby?
Oh, I looked out the window. It looked like there was sun.
It was raining when I went back to sleep.
Yeah, rained a couple of times.
Gising ako ng 6:42.
Short, heavy showers.
Tapos, bumalik ako ng tulog ng 8 something. Tapos, bumalik si Tony ng bed ng 10. Tapos, ngayon 11. So, good morning. 11:30 pa lang. Good morning, guys. Okay na, baby. Oh.
Oh, thank you.
What happened to the chocolate? Malakas ang pang-amoy sa sugar.
Some of it still exists.
Sama. Nauna na yung chocolate. Nakita. Nang bubukas to ng bag.
Never put chocolate almonds in my
You can smell sugar, diba?
Nice.
There you go. You got another top.
Matching.
It's not matching. It's blue.
Well, that one's black.
Yes.
It's blue.
It's black. You got a blue one of that, so I got you the black.
Really? Oh, my eyes are Tricking me slightly then. I mean, it looks...
But then look at the blue. Look at the blue. You're able to see the difference.
Oh, really nice. Thank you, baby.
Happy anniversary.
Oh, that's it.
I cannot reach. So you got this golf top.
Yeah, no, perfect.
For your upcoming golf.
Ah. Pity I can't play golf.
Including that one. You can see you got another color of that top. Thank you, baby.
Well, your presents.
It's in the bank.
It's a number, honestly.
Hindi ko kasi guys alam, but I know what to get. I'll get it when we go to Sydney na lang. Pera na lang sabi ko sa kanya.
Probably present that if you want the cash then.
Yeah, I'll get what
You can do many things.
Yeah, I'll get what I want sa Sydney Airport ko na lang bibilin guys. Kasi doon ko yan nakita.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah. See?
Wow. This will look great for about 3 minutes until I tee off. That'll be it.
Yeah. May upcoming 1-week golf tournament kasi siya guys. Kailangan niya yan kasi malamig din doon.
Wow.
I should have got you gumboots. Oh my god, they're going to have a really windy tomorrow.
Really?
I saw the weather forecast. It was so bad.
For here?
No, not here.
Oh, Christchurch.
Christchurch. It's always windy there anyway, guys. But yes, today is wedding anniversary namin ito ni guys. And napakita ko na ba yung mga picture namin dito guys? Kasi simple lang naman yung yung kasal namin nag-civil wedding lang naman kami. So pero nandun yung tatay ko, nandun yung kapatid ko, ang mga friends. Wala lang family si Tony kasi yun. Dapat big lang yun yung mabilisan lang. As in wala pa kaming 5 minutes dun. Nagpermahan lang kami ng papel. What are you trying to find?
I'm just checking out all the pockets.
Oh yeah, you got pants as well. My goodness, you got everything. You went shopping, babe. So we went to 2 doctor's appointment. Is it 2 doctor's appointment for the last week? For this week? Actually 3 dapat, but kinancel ni Tony. Actually 4 pala.
How many?
Kasi ako, Monday. I have a dentist on Monday. You have an eye doctor on Monday. You had skin doctor yesterday and heart doctor nung isang araw. But anyway, everything is a good news. So, good. And tonight, magdi-dinner kami ni Tony sa Meat and Wine Company. Tapos, dapat i-meet namin si Jonathan at si Kim ng after ng dinner, magda-night out kami. Kasi parang boring naman mag-night out na dalawa lang kami. No? Pero, masaya naman guys. Mas masaya guys kasi kung mayroong kasama, diba? Masaya naman kahit dalawa lang kami. Pero mas masaya kung may kasama. So, sabi namin, sama kayo. Sabi nila, oo, sama kami. Tinanong ko kung gusto nilang sumama sa dinner na din. Sabi nila, sige, sama na natin gawin. So, meron kaming chaperone sa aming anniversary dinner mamaya. But hindi naman kami fussy, guys. Okay lang naman, guys. Okay lang naman yung, tagal-tagal na. Tagal-tagal. Okay lang naman, guys. Mas masaya nga may kasama. Are you not eating lunch yet? You're eating biscuit.
About 10 minutes till lunchtime.
Alam nyo ba, guys? Alam nyo ba?
That's not a biscuit, by the way. It's a cracker.
What are different biscuits and crackers? Oh, yeah. You know, in the Philippines, it's only one. Crackers and biscuits are the same. It's still a biscuit.
Well, there's a biscuit, kind of, but cracker's quite different to a biscuit, yeah.
Diba?
Crackers just a bit of flour and
Dry.
flour and water. Bit of salt.
Oo. Yun nga. Alam nyo ba guys? 2 weeks ago? Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to.
You're gonna play na?
Well, no. Yep, then have lunch.
You will
Might try and go outside after that and do a bit of work.
I'm going to have a shower, clean the room, put some lashes, find somewhere something to wear tonight. I don't know what.
You don't forget you're not going out till 4 to 8.
Yeah. But I don't know what to wear yet. Kasi malamig. So yun yung mga gagawin ko muna.
Well, there you go. See what happened?
What did you drop? What did you drop inside the... Oh! We weren't able to find that.
If I hadn't seen it, that would have been gone.
Yep.
You just throw the box out.
Yep. Ang dami mong cash.
That'll be good for tonight anyway.
Sige, babe. Mag-twerk ako, baby, do this. Bilang ng pera.
Make the other way. Good. It'll kind of look like we haven't spent anything because there's nothing on the card.
Ang dami niyang pera. Bakit ang dami mong pera? Pag nagta-travel siya, kumukuha siya guys ng cash sa machine. Anyway. So, hindi natapos yung kwento ko no kasi dinidistract mo na ko ng asawa ko. So, exactly yung month na to din guys. Nung una kong nakilala si Tony. Alam niyo ba? 16 years ago. Tagal na. Tagal na. So, nakalala ko siya nung parang 7 ata yung September 7 ng 2009. Grabe. 2009. Tagal na. 16 nga. Diba? Tagal ko na palang kilala si Sir. Anyway, so same month din kami nagpakasal. Gusto niya magpakasal sa Pilipinas, kaso sabi ko, wag na lang. Sayang pera. Sayang pera. Okay lang naman guys, papel lang naman yun, diba? Importante ka, masaya, no? Anyway, yun yung story, yun yung gusto ko sabihin kanina na hindi ko masabi. May malaking box tayo dito ng Conner na binili yan ni Tony kagabi. Ubusin ko lang yung hot chocolate ko, tapos magla-lunch tayo. No? Hindi ko alam kung anong lunch ni Tony. What would you like for lunch, babe?
What we got? Got any tuna?
You got tuna. Do you still have ham?
I think this is the scrap.
Scrap. Yeah, you like tuna?
It's really nice ham too. We
Should have got more.
got to reload.
Yeah. Konti na lang.
I'll try that. Oh no, it's a little. And then I'm going to go and do something out the back.
Sure.
I have to get started, so I get some idea of how much time it's going to involve.
Right.
So I'll get the car out and open the garage up and
Kiss me, baby.
get my thing done. I'm very nice clothes.
Very nice, Baba. Yeah.
What's so
Okay, ginawan ko na ng pagkain yung asawa ko, guys. And may natira pa dito. Ubusin niya na lang yan. But yun yung sandwich niya. For all lunch. Tubig lang daw siya. Ayan. Ubusin niya na lang to. There's one slice of ham left, babe. Yeah, you can eat it. Nakalimutan ko na kayo guys kasi naglilinis ako sa may kwarto. Tapos naghahanap din ako ng damit kasi yung dula pa ako may nahanap at Kiribel. Anyway, magluto ako ng nachos na lang, na simpleng nachos lang. Kasi gugutom na ako. Mamaya yung dinner namin, 8:30 pa kasi. Yun lang yung time talaga na pwede namin makuha. Kasi fully booked. Isang buwan ko na siyang binook guys, pero punuan talaga. So, yun na lang yung kinuha namin. So, kakain muna tayo. Lalagyan ko lang to ng taco seasoning. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng sibuyas. At lang kung ano-ano. Kasi yung asawa ko guys, baka kumain siya in medyo picky siya sa mga pagkain. Ayaw niya ng sibuyas, mga ganyan. So, yung simple na ano na lang to, karne at saka yung taco seasoning at saka yung cheese. Tutuin ko lang to ng really quick kasi gutom na ako. Anong oras na? Okay, yun na yung kinalabasan ng ating nachos guys. Kasi ito yung ating chips. Yung asawa ko busy talaga siya. Hindi ko alam kung kakain siya. Pero dadaling ko sa labas. But yan. Walang kamatis. Gusto sana may kamatis. Pero may jalapeno ako dyan. Baka maglagay ako ng jalapeno yung sa akin lang. Yung sa dito ko na ilalagay. Kasi yung sa dyan hindi pwede. Ang sarap. Kain tayo. Kainin ko muna yung asawa ko. Samahan ko siya sa labas. Init. Sarap. Kasi may jalapeno ako. Gusto ko ng jalapeno. Tapos may cream din dito. Lagyan ko siguro ng cream sa taas. Pero nilagyan ko na ito ng cream. Kainin ko muna yung asawa ko guys. Mamaya na lang. Nandun siya sa labas. Nag-start na siya linis sa labas ng bahay namin. Nag-exercise na siya guys. Hindi ako nag-exercise. Kaya pa babe. Naglinis na yun ng labas guys. Hindi niya ako naririnig kasi may headset man. May malakas na music. Habang naglilinis siya sa labas, ako naman guys is naglagay ng aking lashes. Ano lang to guys? Yung adhesive na yung ready na lashes. So, hindi ko na siya pinuno. Ganyan lang. 3 lang yung nilagay ko. So, wala na yung nandito sa loob. But yung gamit ko yung Dora Lab ba yun. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. But yun yung ating lashes. Very comfortable siya guys. Kahit mahaba siya. Ayoko sana na mahaba. Pero wala eh. 12 at saka 14 lang yung maiksi. So, 12 yung sa inner. Tapos yung sa dulo dito. 2 12. Tapos yung dito sa gilid is yung 14. Yan. So, yan siya guys. Yeah. Ayoko na masyadong mahaba. But yan. Nagpapahinga lang ako. Pero magre-ready na ako soon. Mag-ready tayo soon. Hindi ko pa alam paano susutin ko. Ba't okay lang yan. Nakatulog yung asawa ko guys. Sorry. Nakatulog yung asawa ko. Which is good. Kasi mag-night out kami diba guys. So, at least nakatulog siya and nakapagpahinga. So, ayun, tulog siya habang magre-ready na ako kasi parang madami akong time. Hindi ako aligaga mamaya ba. Meron naman akong 2 hours pa. 2 hours pa. So, mag-ready na ako now para, yun nga, siya na lang yung maggamit ng bathroom. Nakaligo na ako. So, magkukulot ako ng buhok kaya basa pa siya. Pero ihuhuli ko na yung buhok ko kasi maingay yung dryer at saka yung pangkulot. So, mag-ready lang ako guys. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Siguro pag nakapag-ready na ako para hindi ako masyado maingay kasi nga yung asawa ko guys tulog. But let's go and get ready. Okay guys. Meron ako dalang lipstick, powder, yung aking hand cream. Gagamitin ko tong bag kong Teddy Blake kasi naka-brown ako na shoes. And brown na skirt, black na top. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo. But yan yung gagamitin natin, yung Teddy Blake. Lagay ko dito yung headset ko. Ay! Baka mawala. Pakita ko sa inyo. And then pakita ko sa inyo yung OOTD ko. And charara. Naka lang ako. Naka long sleeve sa loob skirt. Kasi parang gusto ko mag-skirt today. Kasi nga parang gusto ko yung outfit na to. Tapos malaking lacer. Tapos naka long socks. Tapos nakalagpas yung socks sa boots. Ayan. So cute. Diba yung cute? So, di ba? Tapos, kulot natin yung para tayong rockstar. Oh, yan yung ating OOTD. But, yan. Kasi pag lamig ako mamaya, pwede ko pa ito iakyat. Kasi mataas to, guys. But, tsaka niya tignan. So, ganyan na lang natin. Ibaba na lang natin muna. Tapos mamaya, pwede pa natin ibaba yan. Iakyat mamaya, no? But, ibaba natin ng konti. But, yan na. Blazer and naka-boots lang tayo. Yan yung ating OOTD. Hindi ko sure kung ipapalabas ko yung socks. But, yeah, ilabas natin yung socks para cute. And, ayun siya. Medyo madumi kasi itong salamin na to, guys. Oh, yung part na yun. And, ito na, guys, yung gamit yung bag. Yan. So, Teddy Blake to, guys. Lagay ko yung link sa baba kung gusto niyang luxury bag na medyo mura. Yan. Oh, arte. Ba't yan yung ating OOTD? Ang cute. Girl. Kulot ka. Bruha ka, girl. Yes? Oh, yes, please. Show them your OOTD muna. Nabuang to.
Smart.
You got your other jacket?
I've got my jacket here.
Ay, ang dilim naman. Dilim naman. Kasi Kim na nun sa ang tagal natin hindi lumabas.
Oo nga, parang once a year.
Hindi, no. Yung last tayo na 3 years ago.
Oh, 3 years yun.
3 years yun. Nagulat yun.
Akala ko ano yun, 1 year lang. 3 years. 3 years pala yun.
Fish cooking, is it?
It's your name. Dito kami kakain. Ulit. They do know. Crazy.
What?
They do. I can see some.
Yeah.
Dito na si Joy. Si Kim nandun. Wala pa yung table namin kasi mas maaga kami. Vlogger kasi, girl. Ang social namin, guys. Nakatago kami sa room. Nakatago kami sa room. And ito yung menu nila. Dito yung silang dalawa. Yan siya. Meron kaming another drink.
Thank you very much. We'll see how these folks are going.
May red wine si Ton. Same sila. Tingnan nyo, guys. May sarili kami door, sarado. Tingnan mo. Naka-enclose tayo dito. Alam nila magmamarites yung dalawa. Kaya nga. As in, talagang kami lang yung kwarto na, ay kwarto? Kami lang yung, yung, pinag-ulisan dito. Kasi siguro ito yung pang-anniversary na, room. Parang yung, kayong dalawa lang, magsisecret kayo ng inyong fan.
Sama talaga yung sinasabi mo sa akin.
Kaya na lang mag-uusap buong gabi.
Prom series.
Hanggang umaga.
And it was absolutely outstanding.
Which one?
It was called Girl.
Oh, yeah?
It's on Netflix. And it was basically, it was a little bit rude because the girl had a husband that had sexual problems. But anyway, she was a police constable.
Yeah.
So I think just put it back in.
Ayan, steak sa akin. Steak din.
I ended up with
Steak. Ano nangyari sa'yo?
big.
Steak kami tatlo. Si Tony share.
No, they just keep me rolling so well.
Sige. Niloko yung may nakalagay talaga, happy anniversary. Good job, baby.
That's lovely. Actually, I'm even going to take a photo.
Take a photo. Wow, anniversary mo, babe. Mag-take daw siya ng photo.
Banana ulit yung budget. Banana sa Australia.
May budget ang banana.
I mean, honestly, a quarter of a banana. Seriously?
There's another banana.
It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality.
That's right. Ano? Hindi naman malamig. Care bells. Diba? Malamig ka ba? Nilalamig ka? Marami siyang jacket.
Ako. Hindi malamig.
Yeah. Ako, hindi. Maiksi. Pero, okay naman.
Okay lang yan kasi coat ba to?
Yeah. Tapos naka-long sleeves din ako sa loob. Ito, bali, ito lang yung part na nakalabas. Tapos yung socks ko, pwedeng humaba hanggang dito.
Oh.
Iniwan na kami ng asawa namin na. Ayun na sila talaga. Yung ibon talaga sila. May secret. May secret sila nila.
Kasi tayo nakahils. Nakalimutan nila. Akala nila ano tayo.
Naka-heels ka ba? Oh, naka-heels din pala siya. Yung mga tao, parehas ko ng outfit.
Oo. Labasan.
Laba? No. Naka-skirt din sila. O, diba? Ano ba yan? Init.
Oh. You can't come to 2KW and tell me you're hot.
It is hot.
It's definitely warm.
Init ng ng heater.
Don't tell them they'll turn it off and you'll be frozen.
No. That's a zero. I can always,
Take some clothes on.
I can always
Take
cook.
your jacket off.
Yeah. Oh, sayaw na. Favorite kasama mo yan? Sasayawin yung asawa, guys.
What's that?
Sing, baby, sing. Yung chorus.
Oh! No, I never sing on camera.
It's not recorded.
I'm not that silly. I can see it counting.
It's not.
Darker fight.
Ay, coconut matcha. Hindi talaga coconut matcha. Sayo na kami.
Happy other day.
What's the time now? 2:12. 2:12. Yeah, uwi na. Umuulan ng malakas, uy.
Alas 2 na.